Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back, everybody, to another unboxing, or in this case, unbagging video. Today we're just going to have a quick video on a single item. This is from PHLSTER. You can check them out at PHLSTER.com. They're part of the activity group. And they specialize in certain types of wearable equipment. So feel free to check out PHLSTER.com. They have some interesting products I think you might be interested in. So without any delay, let's check this out. Let's get you out of the way. Thank you. So again, it's just a quick unbagging video. This is actually a back-ordered item. It is actually quite popular and sells out quite quickly. So in case you're ever interested in getting one of these for yourself, they do have an email list that you can add your email to, so they can get in touch with you, and you can actually back order it, and as soon as it's in, they ship it right out to you, which they did. So let's go ahead and boop, there we are. And looks like they actually included some extras. Thank you. So what we got here are some PHLSTER.com stickers. How about that? That makes it nice and clear for you folks. I'll put those right there and right there. And this is the manifest. So again, they are part of the activity group. So this is actually their PHLSTER T-Shirt -004. So I'm not sure if they've actually had others in the series, but this is the one that's currently available online. So this is, oh my, looks like they might have actually shipped me 2 of them. Thank you, folks. So as you can see, it has a very cool design, and I believe it was done in conjunction with Next Level Apparel, and I think now they're also affiliated with Nine Line as well. So can't quite see where they're made. It looks like there's a QC code, and these are both in extra large. So you can see the design there. Nothing on this sleeve, but on this sleeve they do have the Nine Line Apparel logo with the flag in the right direction. So if you're actually going forward on your right shoulder, this is the correct direction for the flag to be. So again, it's positioned that the flag will be moving while moving forward. So I'm not sure what quite the inspiration for the design is, but you can see PHLSTER there. To me, it kind of reminds me of the movie Heat. You may remember that one particular exciting scene of the movie, which is kind of the turning point of the movie, which sets the tone for the rest of the movie, and particularly with the masks involved. And these characters here, inspired by Calvin and Hobbes, popular cartoon characters from the 20th century into the 21st century. And they are carrying some equipment, and we do have a vehicle in the back, quite heavy, as you can see from the position of the tires. And we got a PHLSTER logo there. And again, we got the PHLSTER stickers, and we have the t-shirts. So again, these came from PHLSTER.com. Feel free to check them out and get one of these or more for yourself. So I want to do a quick unboxing, unbagging video. We do have other videos on the channel. Feel free to check those out. We also do some show and tell videos on more specific vintage as well as milsurp type items. And we also do curios for the curious, some more artsy type objects, as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you next time.